Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the paradoxical breathing and Hoover signs. The paradoxical breathing, that means it is a sign of breathing problems. During inspiration, normally our diaphragm pulls the downward and upward during the expiration. This is the normal mechanism. Okay, during inspiration, diaphragm moves down, and when we expire the air, the diaphragm moves the upward. But the reverse of the normal mechanism that known as the paradoxical breathing. During inspiration, diaphragm pulls up, and in expiration, it goes the down. That is known as the paradoxical breathing, which is reverse from the normal mechanism of breathing. During inspiration, the chest contracts and move inward, and expiration, chest expands and move outward. That happen during the paradoxical breathing, because generally in normal inspiration time the chest relax, and during expiration chest contract. But in paradoxical breathing, during inspiration chest contract and move inward, and at expiration it chest expands and move outward. Paradoxical common in infants, but it is considered abnormal if it is present in children or in the adults. It need the medical emergency. The causes of paradoxical breathing, that is PB, the chest injury, muscle dysfunction, diaphragm paralysis, or severe chronic airflow, uh, that is cause the paradoxical breathing. In paradoxical breathing, diaphragm contract during inspiration, pulls the lower ribs inwards. This is called the Hoover sign, because basically diaphragm relax during inspiration, but diaphragm contract during inspiration and pulls the lower lips inward. That sign known as the Hoover's sign. The symptoms of paradoxical breathing, that are pain and tension is in chest and stomach, weakness, unable to take deep breath, rapid heart rate, and dizziness felt to the patient. So these are general symptoms which is present in paradoxical breathing. The diagnosis done by chest X-ray, ultrasound for the chest and surround structures, or by the vital capacity test. The treatment is depend upon the causes. General treatment, that is use oxygen mask, medication for the disease, treatment for sleep apnea, because sleep apnea also cause the paradoxical breathing, repair to damaged chest or the diaphragm muscles, and remove blockage from the airways. So this is the general treatment protocol for the paradoxical breathing. Thank you.